Hi guys, so I'm back and today I'm going to be doing a full face of black owned beauty products, and everything on my face is all black owned beauty, and it's been a tough forever for the black community, and also been a very tough past like 2-3 weeks, just with all the killings of like George Floyd and then the riots. It's just very depressing to think that this is still going on, and we have to do something. We have to unite together and spread the word and teach our kids not to be racist. And racism is not something that you're born with. It's something that you are taught and that you're influenced by to think, which is something that we really need to put an end to. Like, it's just so sad to think that someone thinks that they're better because of their skin color. That is not true. Down below I placed a ton of places you can donate to, and again, I placed down all the links to these brands that I'm using so you can support them. One thing that you can do is support all of these businesses, your local businesses that are black owned. Just try your best to help spread the word. Today we're celebrating all of these beautiful black women that started these brands, and they are crushing the game. Let me tell you, all these products are amazing. So yeah, if you want to see what I use and how I use them, keep on watching. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start off with is foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place. This is my favorite foundation right now. I have fallen in love with it. It's the I Am Magic foundation from Juvia's Place, and it's just so full coverage. Like, man, you are a full coverage babe with this on. And I'm just gonna apply it with like a buffing brush, and this stuff a lot goes a long way. Like, these little spots will go right away. I will have all the brands that I'm using linked down below so you can get shopping and supporting these lovely black owned brand owners. They really have crushed the game, that's for sure. Okay, so next up I'm going to be using this brow pencil from Mented Cosmetics. This cosmetics brand is made especially for black women. It has tons of shades of foundation, lipstick especially. It has like every perfect lipstick shade, and then it has these really nice fine point brow liners with this spoolie on the other end. I think it might have beaten out my Lancome, which I know is like a staple in my collection. But the one thing that is different between the Lancome one and this one is waterproof, and I do find my brows be rubbing off, so that is a plus. So I just carved out my brows, made them nice and sharp using my Pat McGrath concealer. This has been another staple in my routine recently. I have totally loved this concealer. It's so smooth, it just glides on and blends out like butter. Let me just tell you, it's so nice. Definitely worth the price. If you're looking for a good concealer, this is it, girl. So let's move on to the eyes. I have a bunch of Juvia's Place palettes. They are amazing. Their pigmentation is amazing. Their quality is fantastic. Their colors are amazing as well. Everything's just freaking amazing about this. So I have no idea what eye look I want to use today because there's so much to choose from. I kind of really want to use this Fula shade, which is like a pinky purpley a little bit, so I think I'll map it all around that. How does that sound? Okay, let's do the eyes. Okay, for my first shade I'm going to be taking the Saharan palette, and I'm going to be using this transition shade. I'm just going to put that right in my crease. So next up I'm going to be taking the Zula palette. This is my favorite out of all of them, just because it has all these colorful shades and you can make endless looks with this. I'm gonna go in with this pink shade and just load that up. Next, I'm going to be taking the purple shade from that same palette and focusing this a little bit more on the outer corner, and then once you have excess product, you can drag this right in. I'm going to be taking the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Jezebel. It's a more purpley, deep shade, and I'm going to be really focusing this on the outer corner, right through here. I'm going to be taking the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking this really deep burgundy shade and placing that right where I placed that as well, just a little bit lower. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to be going back to the Saharan palette and grabbing this black color. And we're going to be building that up right in the outer corner as well. This will be our darkest shade. And I still have no fallout with a black. Done. Best palette ever. I'm going to cut the crease using my Pat McGrath concealer again. Okay, so now that our creases are cut and sharp, we are going to apply that shade that I showed you in the beginning from the Saharan palette, Fula. It's kind of like a magenta shade. I think it'll look really pretty with this look. Okay, so I just popped some lashes on, and now I'm gonna go in and finish my face. I'm gonna be using my Pat McGrath Labs concealer in the shade L3. This as well has really nice shade range and great coverage. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Cream bronzer. It's in the shade Macchiato, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this as like a base bronzer, and then I have another one to go over top of it. Now I'm gonna be going over with my Beauty Bakery Neapolitan bar. It's super cute and little bronzer, blush, and highlighter duo. I'm gonna be using all three of these today. Super cute. They have two. They have a brownie bar and the Neapolitan bar. And the brownie bar is a little bit deeper for the deeper complexions, which is great. And I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy brush and go right over that I just used. And she is pigmented, so you just gotta be a little careful. Woo!
She is pigmented, so you just gotta be a little careful.
Oops, I forgot to tap off the excess on that one. We can fix this. Accidents happen. I'm gonna be going into the blush shade. This blush is super cute for summer right now because it is super pink and a great flush tone. I'm just gonna pat that right on top of that bronzer. I don't want to get too much pigment, so build it up to your liking. Okay, cute. Now I'm gonna do a little baking with the super cute powder from Beauty Bakery. It's like a little flower container, and then it has a powder in it. I love her packaging. It's so cute. If I get it out, there we go. And then it has this. And then I love when they have the little twisty tops. That makes me so happy, because then you can kind of conceal the powder from going everywhere. I'm just putting a little bit, like that much, in the top, and then closing this sucker off so we don't get powder everywhere. Love that touch. This is the color Oat. It's translucent, and I need a sponge. My first bake is gonna be the jawline. Cute. So while I'm baking, I'm going to do my lower lash line, probably my lips, and my nose contour. Putting a little bit of the Jezebel shade on my lower lash line and just smoking that out. It's a really pretty shade. And then I'm also going to do my lips. I'm going to pop on my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Okay, let's put some highlight on now. I'm gonna go back to that palette, and the shade looks so pretty. Let me take my highlighting brush, just wiggle it in there. She cute. Okay, now I'm gonna set it with my Beauty Bakery baking spray. Super cute. And it smells like cupcakes. I mean, wow. I feel like I just baked. Well, I did technically. Whatever. Okay, so here's the final look using Black-owned beauty brands. I am obsessed with all of these products. They crushed the game, and I can't wait to continue using and discovering more brands. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to donate to charities that are below and organizations that are helping. Don't forget to check out all these amazing brands. The links will be down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!